Pandora, a world of wonder and mystery. From the Hallelujah Mountains to the endless rainforest. But there is so much more to this spectacular and mysterious world. The cliffs of Pandora give way to a mighty ocean and a tropical haven teeming with life. Over 50 Na'vi clans live in the reefs. The largest is the Metkayina. They live in harmony with the majestic Tolkun, the fierce Skimwing, and the playful Ilu. Beyond the great seawall, the Akula lay in wait. Much like the rainforest, every living organism in this coastal biome has bioluminescent qualities that set the night aglow, emitting light in breathtaking patterns. All things are interconnected on Pandora, from the tiniest organisms to the towering Tolkun, amidst the beauty of the ocean and the fierce terrain, the magnificent creatures of the skies and the sea. Wherever we turn, a thrilling world awaits.